Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. We're back today to talk about the June 2021 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. So jumping right in, our top weather story of the month were the June 26th and 27th debris flows across the Grizzly Creek burn area. We had ample moisture across the region and we had numerous showers and thunderstorms in the vicinity of the burn scar, and some of these showers ended up going over the burn scar, and we ended up getting amounts of 0.3 to almost 0.6 of an inch in about 30 minutes, both afternoons. As a result, we did see some debris flow on the burn area. We had mud and rocks, and it covered the interstate. So the 26th, it only covered the westbound, but then it was bigger on the 27th, and we ended up having numerous debris flows that day, and they ended up covering both the eastbound and westbound lanes of I-70. As a result of the debris, I-70 was closed for an extended period of time due to cleanup operations. Looking at high temperatures across the region for the month of June, high temperatures were generally in the upper 90s to the low hundreds, with the hottest temperature of 107 degrees at the Canyonlands Airport. Grand Junction, we topped out at 105 degrees, which tied the all-time record for the month of June. The most mild high temperature, or coldest, was 91 degrees at the Aspen Airport. Otherwise, everyone else was again in the upper 90s to low hundreds. Looking at low temperatures across the region for the month of June, low temperatures were generally in the upper 30s to the upper 40s. The most mild low temperature for the month of June was 49 degrees at the Grand Junction Airport. The coldest low temperature for the month of June was 29 degrees at the Craig Airport on June 11th. Looking at precipitation across the region for the month of June, depending on where you were, it was either a great month or a not so great month. 6 out of 10 of our automated stations ended the month with below normal precipitation. The least amount of precipitation fell at the Vernal Airport with 0.09 inches, which was just over 0.4 of an inch below normal. The most precipitation fell at the Meeker Airport with 0.95 inches, but that was still just a tenth or so of an inch below normal for the month. The Grand Junction Airport, we received just 1/10 of an inch, which was just over 0.3 of an inch below normal. But the Cortez, Rifle, Montrose, and Aspen airports all saw above normal precipitation for the month of June. Looking at the latest day of a drought, even with the precipitation across the region, the drought really didn't change that much across the area. We did still see the extreme to exceptional drought persisting across much of the western slope. We did have the severe to moderate drought persisting across portions of southwest Colorado still. And looking at the outlook for the month of July, the drought is expected to persist across our region throughout the month of July. And finally, looking at the July 2021 climate outlook. So as far as temperatures are concerned, right now above normal temperatures are favored for eastern Utah and western Colorado for the month of July. As far as precipitation goes, for much of the area there's really not a strong climate signal, but as we get towards the southern areas, there is above normal precipitation that's favored for those areas. We're hoping for a great monsoon season this summer, and I know everyone's hoping for that, so fingers crossed this pans out. And that wraps up our June 2021 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you all next month. Bye, guys.